You hear it everywhere, but what the heck is user-generated content, UGC? Simple. It's content created by everyday people like you and me. Think authentic product reviews, unboxing videos, those hilarious TikToks about disastrous cooking attempts. That's the good stuff. Fast forward to 2025, UGC isn't just a buzzword, it's the game. Brands are catching on, people trust real people more than fancy ads. They want the raw, the unfiltered, the genuine article. And guess what? This is your golden ticket. Whether you're a photography fanatic, a makeup maven, or a tech enthusiast, your unique perspective is valuable. Your content has the power to connect, engage, and yes, even generate serious cash. It's time to ditch the outdated notion that you need millions of followers to make money online. UGC flips the script. It's about quality, creativity, and tapping into your own niche. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's go. Ever scrolled through your feed and thought, this ad feels so fake? You're not alone. People are tired of being sold to. They crave authenticity. That's why UGC is blowing up. Think about it. You're more likely to buy a product after seeing a real person rave about it, right? UGC is relatable, trustworthy, and packs a powerful punch. But it's not just about building trust. It's about cost effectiveness too. For brands, UGC is a goldmine. It's cheaper than producing high-end ads, and it resonates more deeply with their target audience. And for creators, it's your time to shine. You don't need a Hollywood budget or a team of professionals. All you need is your phone, your creativity, and the hunger to succeed. The UGC revolution is here, and it's changing the game for everyone. Are you in? Let's bust a myth. You don't need millions of followers to make money with UGC. That's right, you heard me. Forget the pressure of going viral. UGC is about connecting with the right audience, not the biggest. Brands are actively seeking out creators of all sizes who can create high-quality content that resonates with their target market. It's about finding your niche, honing your craft, and delivering value. Whether you're passionate about sustainable living, gaming, or anything in between, there's a brand out there looking for your unique perspective. So ditch the follower count anxiety and focus on creating killer content. The money will follow. Section 4 Platforms for UGC Success. Ready to turn your UGC dreams into reality? Here's the deal. There are platforms out there specifically designed to connect creators like you with brands hungry for your content. First up, we've got the TikTok Creator Marketplace. This is where brands and creators collaborate on sponsored content deals. TikTok's algorithm is a beast, meaning even creators with smaller followings can get discovered. Next, we've got Billo. This platform is all about short-form video content. Brands post briefs outlining their needs, and creators can submit proposals. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Then there's Backstage, a platform that connects brands with creators for a wide range of UGC needs. Whether it's product photography, video testimonials, or social media takeovers, Backstage has got you covered. And let's not forget about Upwork, the freelance giant. While not exclusively for UGC, Upwork is a great platform to find brands looking for creators to produce various types of content. These are just a few examples, folks. There's a whole world of platforms out there ready to help you monetize your UGC. Section 5, your step-by-step guide to UGC Gold. So you're ready to jump into the exciting world of UGC, but you're not sure where to start? No worries, I got you. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know more about than anyone else? Find your niche and own it. Step 2, create high-quality content. This is non-negotiable. Invest in a good camera or phone and learn the basics of lighting and sound. Presentation is everything. Step 3, build your portfolio. You need to show brands what you're made of. Create a portfolio of your best work that showcases your skills and creativity. Step 4, find your platforms. Choose the platforms that align with your niche and target audience. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, the options are endless. Step 5, pitch your heart out. Don't be afraid to reach out to brands directly. Craft a compelling pitch that highlights your skills and why you're the perfect fit for their campaign. Step 6, deliver and over-deliver. Once you land a gig, go above and beyond. Deliver high-quality content on time and exceed expectations. Step 7, promote, promote, promote. Don't be shy about promoting your UGC work. Share it on your social media channels, website, and email list. Remember, consistency is key. The more high-quality content you create, the more opportunities will come your way. Section 6, cashing in UGC monetization strategies. Now let's talk about the good stuff, getting paid. Here are a few proven ways to monetize your killer UGC selling usage rights. This is a common strategy where you grant brands the right to use your content for a specific period or purpose. The price depends on factors like the type of content, usage rights, and the brand's budget. Monthly retainers. This is like a dream come true. Secure a monthly retainer agreement with a brand to create a set amount of content each month. This provides consistent income and a long-term relationship. UGC bundles. Package your UGC services into irresistible bundles. For example, offer a package that includes product photography, video testimonials, and social media posts. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and promote their products or services in your UGC. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Remember, your pricing should reflect your skills, experience, and the value you bring to the table. Don't undervalue your work. Section 7 UGC Stars, Real People, Real Money. Need some inspiration? Let's hear it from real people raking in the dough with UGC. Take Sarah, for example. She's a passionate foodie with a knack for creating mouth-watering food photography. She started by sharing her culinary creations on Instagram and quickly gained a loyal following. Now, she partners with restaurants and food brands, creating stunning visuals for their websites and social media channels. She earns around $300 per photo and is booked solid months in advance. Then there's John, a tech enthusiast who loves reviewing the latest gadgets. He started a YouTube channel where he shares unboxing videos, product demos, and tech tips. His engaging personality and informative content quickly gained traction, and he now has over 100,000 subscribers. John earns money through ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. These are just two examples of the countless individuals who are building successful businesses with UGC. The key takeaway? They found their passion, honed their craft, and put in the work. So what are you waiting for? The world of UGC is waiting for you. Get out there, create amazing content, and watch the opportunities and the money roll in.